So people, we are going to a very dreamy place called as Jogimatti in Chitradurga. It's a very good place. It's a high altitude place. So we're gonna go there, and I filled my bike with petrol. I am in the petrol station, gas station. So we're gonna go in the city. So let's go. So it is sealed down. The area is sealed down because of the cases raised in the area. So we're gonna take an alternative route. It's been like 3-4 months since they've stayed inside homes, and everybody is coming out now, and it's like they don't even care about it. Just maintain social distance and apply sanitizers and wear masks is the only go now. So my voice is a little snubbled because I was drenched in the rain yesterday. I was in rain. I'm riding from 2-3 days. So from here on, it's gonna be a ride with climbing streets. So it has a little curvy roads, and it feels a tad bit of sense of hard sections. It has a little curves. I mean, not like legit, but it has some curves, and it will give you the feel. So if you come to Chitradurga, do visit Jogimatti, the place I'm going now. Really good. Amazon Prime has new movie called as French Biryani. I've gone onto a OTT platform that is Amazon Prime because you can't open theaters, and times like this OTT platform helps a lot. But theaters is a go. After theaters are opened, people will go and watch in theaters, and we're gonna have that time. So lately, on Netflix, Dark has been a hype German series. I should really give it a watch. So all green around, and this is a very nice place to visit if you are in Chitradurga. I don't know what this dude is doing. So as I told, a little bit hard sections. A feel that it gives. Stopped here because of we had to buy a ticket, and the officials just asked us that if we belong from Chitradurga or we have come out from somewhere else. Like thankfully they know that we are from Chitradurga. We bought a ticket and we're gonna get in. We can't go to Jogimatti sadly because it's closed, but we'll get into it in a very secretive way that we know. So let's go. Peacock. As you can see, it's all empty, and it's a really good place to ride into. So there are a lot of birds, there are a lot of animals here. It is actually a forest area. Forest officials just asked us where you came from and all. So we had to buy a little ticket there. So we had to stop for like 5 minutes and explain it to them that we are from Chitradurga, and we have come here to shoot a vlog. So they have permitted us, very nice people, they have permitted us to get in. So there's a zoo next right up, and we have to park our vehicles here, I guess. Completed our our ride, and we are into the zoo. As you can see, Zoo Authority of Karnataka. We are into the zoo of Admaleshwara. So we're gonna go on a short trek. So actually we can't do that, and we are actually doing it. So we know a secret way from here. It's actually well known to the people who are in Chitradurga. We've been in Chitradurga, so we know the places. So from where we can take a road and where we can get. So we'll go to. So we might encounter any animals. Let's get into our trek. So it is very peaceful here, and it is very calm. As you can see, we are entering an area that we are not allowed to, but we have got a permission from the officials to get into this area. So I'm doing all this for the vlog, and I hope this vlog gets a lot of views. So it is a very peaceful morning, and it is very cloudy, and I'm not supposed to make a lot of noise because I can scare off the animals as such. And there is a forest area we're entering into. There's only one side fencing, there's another side that is not fenced, and we can encounter animals if we get too far. Hope we not do that. So me and my friend Aftab, we are just going into the trek, and my boy here is walking, and we are getting into it. Back tik kar le. So my boy has been real help shooting this vlog. So I got a lot of requests from my viewers that I should go multilingual, as I know Kannada, Hindi and English. Kannada is a really regional language, and for the boys who've been asking that you should speak in Kannada, ಈಗ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕನ್ನಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಿಗೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು ಅಫ್ತಾಬ್ ಅಂತ. That is Kannada, and people who tell it's Kannada, it's not Kannada, it's Kannada. So it's a very beautiful language, and I love the language. It is a very old language, and it has streams of language to it. It has Halgannada, like the ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸೈಡ್ ನೀವು ಹೋದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ, ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಜನ. ಬಟ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ಆ ಸೈಡೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಜಿಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So yeah, people, we were here, and we are going back because it is not safe, and because people have not come here, and animals might have made this their territory, because there are a lot of jaguars here. We are into a forest, so I can't risk it because me and my friend, we are just two people, and if any wild animal attacks, it's gonna be horrible for us. So we're gonna get out of this because I felt something, I heard some noise in the woods in here. So we're getting out of it. As you can see, it's just merely a trail, so we can't risk it. This is the trail I've been talking about, and this is all forest here. You can't even tell if somebody gets attacked here. Nobody can hear us, so that's why I thought it is safe for us to get out of here. As you can see, all the peacocks are screeching, and some noise we heard in the back. So that's why we are heading back, because this area has lot of jaguars. So there are two trails going in here, as you can see. So we have a lot of ground to cover still. Getting back, we are getting out of this no entry zone, and we have reached our gate. So let's get out.